how to add a dual clock widget on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to next page. Now here's just click and hold on screen. Now here's a click on widget. So after click on widget, so if you want to add dual clock widget, so scroll down and click on clock. So after click on clock, you will see search dual widget clock from here. So you will see dual clock is here. So if you want to add to home screen, so click on dual clock widget and click on add. So you will see your dual clock widget is add on home screen. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add a dual clock widget on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.